Doc Favors here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I woke up this morning, got everything situated, but before I leave to go to my meeting, I had to get on here and share this with you all, especially for all of you all in the audience and our tribe who are new to crypto space. And if you haven't seen the video, I did two videos so far on this, okay? And what I want you all to see is, let me go here. This video here, how to take advantage. I did that yesterday. Matter of fact, let me go here for you because this is important, guys. This is very, very important for you. How to take advantage of a crypto sale. That video is going to show you how to actually get in and see what's happening. And I'm going to break down. But this one here, that one is at about 256. Why I'm bullish on XRP. Guys, I told you all. Now, maybe some of you all was at work, but yesterday in this video, when I posted this, and I told you all what was getting ready to happen. And now, look at what happened. Yesterday, price was way down here. Let me pull this up so we make sure we see it. Yesterday, price was down in this area. And then next thing you know, it shot up. Now, what happened? Why did it shoot up? What is going on, Favors? Well, I'm going to show you right here. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced the end of the legal battle with the SEC, which will drop its appeal against Ripple, concluding a multi-year dispute over unregistered securities. So on the video yesterday, I told you all how to go and Google crypto news. You can watch that. I'll make sure I link that in the description for you. But what's most important, guys, is look at where we are right now. Okay, so now we got up here. Of course, people gonna see this. They see this big pump. You got the people who are actually trading and they're going to make profits, so they're selling off a little bit. But what I want you to see from this level here, when we was talking about getting in to here, this was the sale down here. But I told you we're in that zone. Now, if we think this is going to go to $3, which I think is going to go way above that, people, you just got to understand that this is the time to get positioned. You don't want to wait till everyone starts flooding and get in while it's high. You want to get in at a sale. That means when there's blood on the street. That means when it's doing a pullback, when it's coming down. Right now, at the time of this recording, price is at 249. And I'm looking to get in some more, even at these levels here, because it's still up under $3. Guys, that's just a discount. Now, here's something I want to show you. That video, and I don't think they're going to flag me for this, but guys, you need to see this and hear this on X. This is Gary Garlinghouse. I mean Brad Garlinghouse. And this is what's moving the market. Of course, we remember the FOMC meeting was today too. And it has some hawkish news, but this announcement here changed everything. So let's take a listen.
As many of you know, just over 4 years ago, the United States SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. I'm finally able to announce that this case has ended. It's over. Sitting here today and reflecting on 4 years ago, it seems very clear to me that this case was doomed from the start. In so many ways, it was the first major shot fired in the war on crypto. I truly felt like I knew then that Ripple was not only on the right side of the law, but I felt that we were also going to be proven to be on the right side of history. It really, I think, sends an ominous sign for innovation around cryptocurrency in the United States. Picking winners in general has not been something the US government should be in the business of doing. I think the judge realizes this is not just about Ripple. This will have broader implications. As Mary Jo White, the former head of the SEC, has said publicly that she views this as a dead wrong, and the SEC is dead wrong on this decision. Ripple is the first company with the resources, determination, and grit to fight back against the agency's overreach. And today, this journey finally concludes. Today is a victory and a long overdue surrender by the SEC. The SEC, under Chairman Gary Gensler, went after the whole industry, using the same arguments they used against us. They weren't out to protect investors. They were out to intimidate and terrorize. The regulator, whose primary purpose is to protect investors, went all in on a non-fraud, victimless lawsuit and wiped out $15 billion of value from innocent XRP hoarders. The SEC was the market manipulator. The SEC wasn't seeking justice. They were seeking to win a case at any cost. Forces inside our government aligned with the SEC and embarked on a campaign of debanking anyone associated with the crypto industry. This was lawfare, a war of legal terror. Fortunately, the judge rebuked the SEC multiple times in this journey. First, for lacking a, quote, faithful allegiance to the law. The SEC was sanctioned in our case for discovery abuses, and the pattern was repeated in other crypto cases.
Well, let's just say they're trying to confuse you.
We won then on every critical legal point, proving that the digital asset XRP is not a security. That is now the law, and those wins have laid the groundwork for policymakers to adopt a set of rules for crypto that are in line with nearly a century of securities law. With today's news, the war on crypto has ended in defeat.
So, guys, I wanted you to see that, and I probably could let it play a little more. But what's most important, man, is to see that what we're talking about is this sale that's going on. And so let me see here. Let me see here, guys, because that is really important that you hear everything that was said. Let me go back and find that video and where
Investors.
yeah, that's important, guys.
They were out to intimidate and terrorize. The regulator, whose primary purpose is to protect investors, went all in on a non-fraud, victimless lawsuit and wiped out $15 billion of value from innocent XRP hoarders. The SEC was the market manipulator. The SEC wasn't seeking justice. They were seeking to win a case at any cost. Forces inside our government aligned with the SEC and embarked on a campaign of debanking anyone associated with the crypto industry. This was lawfare, a war of legal terror. Fortunately, the judge rebuked the SEC multiple times in this journey. First, for lacking a, quote, faithful allegiance to the law. The SEC was sanctioned in our case for discovery abuses, and the pattern was repeated in other crypto cases.
Well, let's just say they're trying to confuse you.
We won then on every critical legal point, proving that the digital asset XRP is not a security. That is now the law, and those wins have laid the groundwork for policymakers to adopt a set of rules for crypto that are in line with nearly a century of securities law. With today's news, the war on crypto has ended in defeat for those who turned our own government against a technology and an entire industry. I'm heartened that we have paved the way for other industry players to see the value in not backing down, and for others to use our legal playbook to fight back. We are now closing a chapter in crypto history. I think we're all stronger for our prior litigation successes and today's landmark victory. Progress is worth fighting for. We won multiple pro-crypto victories at the ballot box last year. It's time to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. Thankfully, we have new leadership in executive and legislative branches of our government. That leadership is actively seeking a rational and constructive way forward on crypto. Let's make the most of this. This is an incredibly promising moment. Let's come together. Let's leave the tribalism behind. But let me make it clearer that my main message, what Ripple's main message today is about gratitude. It's gratitude to everyone who stood by us, to every Ripple employee, to the incredible legal team here at Ripple, led by the best chief legal officer in the business, Stu Alderodi. Gratitude certainly to the XRP family, to our customers, to our partners. Thank you. We couldn't have won this battle without all of you being behind us and working together. I truly believe we all agree there's immense opportunity with the largest economy in the world finally taking a pro-crypto and pro-innovation approach to build this technology in order to solve real-world problems for people around the planet. This was a fight Ripple never wanted, but one we knew we had to win. And today, emphatically, we have. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So, like I said right there, you have to really. So let me just say this, because what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to buy some more right now online with you guys right now. But what I want you to understand, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, can't give you any financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm showing our students and how we get the bag. That being said, very easy, I told you in the video before, I'll link the description down below. But yes, I still use Robinhood. Let me turn that down so you can see it. Yeah, I use Robinhood, guys. And my crypto is in Robinhood, right? And so at this point, very easily, all you have to do is when you link up everything, you go in there and you hit transfer. Y'all should be able to see that. Yeah, well, you can't see the lot, but you just hit transfer from your local bank. You hit deposit. And once again, I do want to show you all that. $50. I told y'all, dollar cost average. Wait a minute, I hit the button. Dollar cost average, guys, if you can't go in bigger. And I'm just doing this to show you all here. So I'm going to deposit $50 into my account. That's done because I have a business account. If you don't, it may take a few times. Okay, and now I have that 50 available. So what am I about to do? Where price is right now, it's at a pullback at 2.509. Once again, trying to time the market is not the best way to go. Time in the market is the best way to trade this. And we call this DCAing, dollar cost average. So XRP is at 2.504. Oh, wait a minute. I need to turn it down just a little bit more. Okay. You can see that, right? See that on the phone right there? That's where it is. That's what price is. So I'm just going to hit buy. And I'm going to hit $50 and hit review. And that is going to give me about 20 XRP, actually 19.872 right there. You see that? And I'm just going to swipe up to submit the order, send in the order, and it says done. And now I've increased my value of XRP by at least 20 more. Now, once again, no matter where you are and what you're doing, guys, it's very important to understand that because of that video, this is what we believe, what I believe anyway, that sent this price spiking up right now. Okay, so once again, it's going to pull back a little bit. That's where you get in. Remember, the market doesn't go actually straight up unless there's news. But think about it. These people have been in this battle for 4 years. And now they have finally, the SEC dropped that case. And hey, what's stopping it? I was looking at the market cap this morning, and I think maybe 100 billion they're away from Ethereum. So it's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then XRP. But at the rate XRP is going, it's going to pass market cap of Ethereum, guys. And you don't want to wait. You don't want to be in too late. That's what I would say for me and my team. Now, once again, you do your due diligence. You do your own research. I'm just showing you where to get research. So along with the video yesterday, guys, along with this one, I literally just told you all that you don't want to mess around and not have any, and this move happens. Guys, you talking about being up a couple of $1,000s from that one move. For some people, that's millions. And I want you to understand, you want to be, if you want to be a part of that, then that's what you do. Once again, favors. I don't know anything about brokers. How do I get involved? I'm going to link a description to one of my links for Robinhood. I still use Robinhood. Like I said, it's easy, it's simple, it's regulated. You hit that link, you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. But at the end of the day, guys, even if it's not that, whatever you're comfortable with, do your own research. And if you want to get in this, then this is the time to do it, because once XRP gets to $10, then you're gonna have a lot of people flooding in. And don't get me wrong, if it keeps going up, that's a good thing. But I would rather, for a long time, we used to look for opportunities that we could get in before a move like this happened. And before a move like this is going to continue to happen. Imagine where you would be if you got into Bitcoin at $2.50. Even Ethereum, that. Let me see where that is right now. Bitcoin, 84,000. Imagine, just imagine for a moment, guys. Move that up just a little bit. Imagine, put this on a day chart. That's Bitcoin. I don't even think I can do it on a day chart. For to go back that far, that's 16,000 right there. I have to go to maybe a monthly. Yeah, I go to monthly. Yeah. You see, now it took some years for this to take place. But imagine what would have happened if you'd have got in Bitcoin way over here when it was $500, when it was almost flat, $200. Think about where you would be literally when Bitcoin first started years ago. That's negative. Think about that. At $50. Now you have a chance to get into something. Well, let me go here. Ethereum. What would have you gotten Ethereum when it was $60? Came up here to 1,300, then came back down $200. If you'd have got in there, dollar cost average to now, even at all-time high is way up here at 4,008 something, and price right now is at 2,000. You still can dollar cost average. But guys, we have another player on the scene. You see, that play I just got in is all seeming it's going to be up. Now watch. No, that's the month piece. What would happen if you got in down here at 49 cents just a few months ago? 50 cents. Then it went up to this level to $1.92. Went up to $3 and then came back down to where price is right now, $2.50. I'm gonna leave it right there, guys. Do me a favor. If you're getting anything out of this piece, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turn that bell notification on. And once again, as long as you all continue to like these videos and comment, I'll continue to do this. Once again, I'm not an advisor. I'm just sharing with you what we're doing. Now, all the people in my private groups, they know about these. They got these plays already. And so, hey, once again, that's what I'll do, guys. So that being said, this is Wednesday, hump day, March. What's today's date? Today is, at the time of this recording, time of the video, March 19th. It's about 10:51 a.m. and XRP, the sale is selling. That's all I can say, guys. So hope you all get in. If you are in XRP, y'all drop me a comment, let me know. I will say this. I don't know anything about what you're doing and how everything else is going. And for one thing, please don't put in your 12 key numbers or pieces like that. I do think that's a scam, but I don't know. But somebody was asking me questions about that. I don't know anything about anything else, and I can't give any advice. So even if I did know, I couldn't give it to you. So that being said, you all, hey, have a great day. End the week strong. Get positioned, and once you get positioned, let me know. Drop me a comment, so we'll keep bringing you content like this. Okay. This is Doc Favors. We'll see you next time.